today
Yeah.
we are going to see the issues of master and branch. If both the files, okay, having same name, this is the common issues faced by a DevOps engineer, okay, in a DevOps environment, or you can say in a Git environment. So that is when a developer, suppose branch B1 is there, right? And B2 branch is for developer 2, B1 branch for developer 1. Okay, so developer 1 has created the same file name what developer 2 has created with. Okay, it means if I am a developer, I have created index.html, and Pawan is also a developer, he is also a created the same file index.html, correct? But both the files are having different codes, but both the files are having different statements. But when we, as a DevOps engineer, Manoranjan is a DevOps engineer, and if he is trying to merge these two branches together to the master, or one by one also, so he will be facing a conflict issue because of same file name. So how we are going to resolve that issue, we are going to see now. Okay, getting my point, guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
And one more thing, Abhishek.
Yes.
Suppose I have that three environment, dev, QA, and production. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So how I will take to from dev to QA and QA to production? So for that, you have to create different branch or
Yeah, obviously you need to, because to this Mumbai location. Okay, guys. So I have connected to the same server which we were working previously. So go to Paytm application, correct? Under Paytm application, if I do git branch, okay, so you can see which all branches you have, and by default master will be there. So by default you are already there in the master. Okay, so I am check out to branch B1, that is git checkout branch B1, correct? Correct, guys? So if I do the git branch again, so I'll be in branch B1, correct?
one.
Correct. Now here you need to check which all files you have in place. Okay. And at the
Mm.
same time you need to run this command git status. So is there anything is for modification? No, nothing is there.
No.
Now, so I am going to create a file. It's already there, but I am going to modify this file 6.txt, okay, with a different statement. And again, file 6.txt in branch B2 as well with a different statement. And when we are going to merge this file 6.txt and from branch B1 and file 6.txt from branch B2 to your master, then we'll see some error. Okay, so let's see that what error we will be getting. Okay, so cat this file, just see what all content is there inside this one. Nothing is there, correct? So
Mm.
you need to put some content. So how we can put a content inside this one? So either you can use a VI editor, or you can use double append. You
Double.
need to append, correct? Double greater then. Good.
Mm.
So so here I am putting some statement. Okay. So I am typing as a statement one. Okay. Statement two. Okay. And statement three. Okay, guys. Just save it. Okay. Again do cat file 6.txt. Done. Now if you do git status, it will show you that files will be not in trackable, correct? because it is modified. So what we need to do is you need to add this and you need to commit. So how how we can do that one? Oh, sorry guys. So git and then commit hyphen a hyphen m, okay, and modified file 6. Okay, understanding guys my point? Hello,
Yes.
Manoranjan, Pavan.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so let's see this time it's working or not. Okay, it's still getting that error. Okay, no need to give the file 6, ultimately it will do. See, okay, so if you want to add and you want to commit save at the same time, if you want to push the file to the staging area as well as if you want to save the file, then at the same time you need to run this single command. Last time also I was trying to do this, right? If you guys remember, correct? So this is for adding to your staging area and this is m for commenting. That one means you are saving it to the local repo. Then if you do git status now, so nothing will be there, okay, because it is already pushed to git ls
Goes to
local repo, right?
yeah, local repository.
Correct.
Yeah.
So if you do file 6 dot txt, so these two three statements are there, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to check out to branch b2. Okay, so currently we are in branch b1, correct? Now we need to check out to branch b2, correct guys? Do ls, same file is here also, correct? File 6.txt.
Yes.
Let's see, anything is there inside? No. Now we are going to put some data inside this one, okay, but both file names are same, right? And here statement I am giving different, that is 4, okay, and 5 and 6, right guys? Let's give 7 also, okay, give a enter and then control D. Okay, now do cat. So some data is there, but statements are different from file 1, sorry, file 6.txt, which is in branch b1, and here file 6.txt are having different statement, correct? But both the file names are same. Okay, if you do git status, so we need to add it to staging area and then we need to commit this one. Okay, so this is one common operation you need to do each and every time. So how we can do this one guys? Git commit hyphen a hyphen m and modified file 6. Okay, done. If you do git status again, nothing will be there, right? But if you do git ls hyphen files, so you can see file 6.txt is there. Now the problem comes. Now what you need to do is you need to merge branch b1 and as well as branch b2. Okay, how we can merge branch b1 and b2? So first you need to check out to master, right? That is git checkout master, correct? So now if you see git branch, so you can see we are in the master. So how we can merge guys? Git
Push command. Git push.
merge and
Merge.
branch b1, right? enter. So you can see now some files are added to master, right? Here you can see. And 3 plus, what is this 3 plus? This 3 plus is nothing but 3 statements are there. Getting my point, guys? Understanding my point? So if you do ls over here and if you do cat of this file, so we are in master, right? So you can see this 3 statement, correct? Now I want to merge branch B2 as well, but branch B2 having the same file with different statement. So let's see what is going to happen now. Okay, guys. Git merge branch B2. Okay, enter. Now see what is this. Now tell what is this. Read this one,
The
guys.
conflicts are there.
Yes, it's telling conflicts are there. Add merge conflict in file 6.txt. Automatic merge failed. Fix conflicts and then commit the result. So now if you see, if you want to do any operation, you are not able to do that one. Okay. If you do git, if you do git status, so you can see it's telling both files are added. You need to add. Correct? If I do git add also, if I do git add file 6.txt, I just want to add it to the staging area because I need to resolve this first, right? I need to fix this first, right? Fix conflict and run git commit, it's telling. So how you are going to fix this issue? Enter. So now it is added to your staging area. Okay, the first step what I'm doing, guys, here, just see carefully. Okay, what I checked here first is I see a conflict issue, then I run a command git status first. Okay, so in the git status command it is saying fix conflict and run git commit. Before to that you need to add that to the staging area. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to commit this one, git commit hyphen m modified file 6.txt. No, it's not happening.
But a statement is written like modified file 6.txt.
No,
Do you
you
mean?
just need to go to first go to this uh, with checkout branch B2. We should not be doing like this. One second, guys. ls. Okay, and then nothing is there, right? We are in branch B1. So we are in branch B2. No git checkout branch B1. Shift to branch B2. Okay, nothing is there. No, it should be asking something. I'm going to do this once again, guys. Its conflict issue is showing, but conflict issue will be not resolving like that. We need to remove the statements. Then only it's going to work. Okay. So and then once you will be removing the statement, and then you need to rename the file. Okay. So let's see what all files are here. File 7.txt. Okay. Just put some statement in this file 7.txt. Okay. So this file is saved now. Fine. Git add file 7.txt. Okay. Okay. Guys, you are able to understand now? I'm doing the same operation again. Okay. Mananjan, Pavan.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Because
need a like
yeah, correct.
a detailed
Yeah, because
confirmation.
it should not be,
Yeah.
because the way it's saving, the way it's merging to master and it's resolving the conflict issue, it's not at all correct. Okay. So we are in Git branch. We are in branch B1. Okay, guys. Now we are moving to Git checkout branch B2. It's telling error. Okay, we need to commit first, right? I forgot to commit. Modify file 7. Okay, done. So we are in branch B1 only. Okay, now we can check out to branch B2. Okay, and here just see what all files are there. So here I am going to create a file that is cat. Okay, file 7.txt with the same name. Okay, the same name file name. Okay, what we have in branch B1. Okay, and I'm going to put some data inside this one. Okay, just mention conflict issue need to resolve from file 7 in branch 2. Enter. Control D. Okay, now add it to the staging area. File 7.txt. Done. Check git status. Okay, now commit this one. Git commit -m created and modified file 7. Okay, so now guys, nothing is there. Done. Now you need to move to master. Okay, so git checkout master, do git branch, so you'll come to know you are in which node. Now as soon as if you merge as soon as if you merge the branch b1 and branch b2, then we'll be getting the conflict issue. Okay guys, so how we can merge branch b1 first, guys? Pawan,
Git merge
git merge
and then file name.
branch b1,
That's
right?
it. Branch B1. Yeah.
Done.
Branch B1.
What is this?
Something different.
Merge please enter a commit message to explain why this merge is necessary, especially if it is merge and update upstream into a topic branch. Lines starting with hash will be ignored and an empty message apart. Okay, so control X. So we have exited git. So if you come out of nano editor in Linux, so control X is there without saving. Okay, so git status, nothing is there, right? Fine. Git merge branch b1. Okay, branch b1 is already up to date. Fine. First time it has taken, okay, first time file 7.txt was there, right? If you remember already in branch b1. This is why it's not taking the second time. You are getting my point, guys? Once you have already updated the same file, so it's already taken the file 7.txt. It is there somewhere here. Might be, one second. See, where is this? Branch, yeah, file 7.txt was already there. So we have just added the comment inside this one. And in branch B2, we have created the file 7.txt, correct? And then we added the statement. Okay. So as soon as it's telling already up to date, means already your branch B1 is updated to your master. It's already merged to your master. Now the second step, what you need to do is first just cat this file. Okay, file 7.txt. So these statements are there. Now you need to do git merge. Okay, and branch B2, right? So it will be automatically showing you the conflict issue, right? Same way as like last time it was showing, right? Now the conflict issue is there. Automatic merge failed, fix conflict, and then commit the result, right? Now you need to understand here. When git merge we have done with branch B2, it has same file, correct? So it is showing that conflict in file 7.txt, correct guys? So now we have to resolve the conflict issue. Without resolving the conflict issue, we will not be able to do any action. Any action means if you want to check out to, if you want to check out to branch B1, enter. So you see now it's coming, correct? File 7 dot needs merge first. You cannot move until unless from the master you need to resolve the conflict issue, then only you can move it to branch b1 or branch b2. Getting my point, guys? Understanding my point? Now understand what step we were missing there. Pawan, Manoranjan.
Yes, yes.
Now, so you need to resolve your current index first. It's telling a statement, output. Remember this one. The error is you need to resolve the current index first. So how we can resolve this current index first? So you need to run the command called git status first. Okay. So as soon as you run the git status first, okay, you need to add this file first. Okay. So how we can add this file? Git add and then file 7.txt. Done. One thing. Now second step, we need to commit. Okay, git commit -1 m, and then you need to mention resolved the conflict statement. Okay, so you need to mention, you need to resolve the conflict statement of your branch B1. Okay, so how we can resolve the conflict statement? You need to first do git status. Okay, git branch. So we are in master. Okay, so cat this file. Which file? 7.txt. Now, guys, understand this thing. This is very much important. Till now, I have tell you, you have created two files. Okay, both files are having different statement. Correct, guys? Understanding my point?
Yes.
Okay. Now the second
Mm-hmm.
step, what I have done is here. First, I merge a branch B1 to where? To the
Mm-hmm.
master. So I did not face any issue. Correct? As soon as
Yes.
I merged the branch B2, I was facing conflict issue. So how I was resolving that one? So first I add that file to the staging area and then I commit that file and mention that resolved the conflict statement in branch B1. Means you need to resolve the file 7.txt which is in branch B1 first, and then you need to check out to branch B2. Understanding? No.
Yes.
Manoranjan, you? No, right?
No, can you explain? No.
Yeah, I'll explain once again. Understand this thing. So till now, what you have understand, just explain me. Means according to your understanding.
What we did that we created one file that's a phase7.txt, and
Hmm.
we are given that whatever the statements we have provided. After that, we check out the branch one and commit that file. Same thing we did on the branch two. So while
Correct.
we creating committing in branch two, it will showing the conflicts errors.
No, no. One thing you are missing, Manoranjan. What we have done is we have created two files of file 7.txt in both the branch B1 and branch B2. Correct? That time also we have added that file and that time also we have committed that file. So our task is done. But
Yeah,
you need to merge these branches to the master. Correct?
master. Yeah,
So as soon as if I start merging the branch B1 to your master, I did not face any issue.
yes,
But
yes, yes.
the next step,
While we
as
merging to branch two, we are facing
we
issue.
are facing the conflict issue. So how we
Yeah,
can resolve that conflict issue is, first we need to add that to the staging area. That's what I done here, right? I have added it, this file 7.txt, and second statement what I have written is git commit -m resolve the conflict statement in branch B1, means so I need to resolve that statement first because it's a conflict issue. So you can see file 7.txt having both the statements. It's telling it's a conflict issue, right? See, for the branch B1, okay, the statement was different. For the branch B1, what was the statement? This statement only I have written, file 7 is created and modifying file 7, correct? And in branch B2, for the file 7, this statement I have written, but these all are coming in master. So we need to resolve this first. So how we can resolve this first? So we need to remove the statement of your branch 2.
Okay.
Then only you can resolve this issue. Then see, until unless you need to remove the statement of branch B2, then only the branch B2 file is then later on we'll be renaming this file, and then we can merge this file to your master. That is only the way. Okay, but you will ask me a question. The question is, okay, Abhishek, if you are removing the work of a developer 2, which is in branch B2, he has written the code. Now you are telling you are entirely removing the code of developer 2. That's what I am doing to resolve the issue. Correct? Statement means what? His code only, right?
Yeah.
So where is his work now? So his work is already there in branch 2. I am doing this operation in master. Understand my point, guys?
Okay.
I am doing this operation if I open this file in nano, okay, or vi, anywhere. Okay, just open this file in nano. Okay, that is file 7.txt, and you need to remove this one. Entire thing you need to remove.
Okay.
Done. So only branch B1 statement is left behind. So if you do control Y, okay, and if you do control X, so it's asking if you want to save or not. So I want to save Y, and then control
D.
control D, no, control X.
Control X. It is which editor it is?
This is nano editor.
You want to save, right?
It is already saved.
So Control X, I think you told that.
Okay. So control Y. I have already saved this one. Okay, and then I need to come out.
X is written exit Control X. Yes.
Save modified buffer. Yes, it's
Yes.
done.
Mm.
No. Control C.
Control plus capital X.
No, it's not taking power. Control Y is also not working. Control X is also not working. Control C is cancelled. Okay, now control X. Save the changes. No. Okay, just open this one in VI. The changes has not been saved yet. Okay, so VI do DD if you do, so it will remove. Okay,
Hmm.
and save, write and quit. Okay, So you have removed that star statement of your file 7.txt of branch B2. Getting my point, guys? Understanding my point?
Ye-
Okay.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
what you need to do? You need to do again check the git status. So now again you need to add this file to file 7.txt, correct? And if you do git commit -m modified file 7.txt and
TXT.
resolved conflict issue of branch 1. So we have resolved only for branch B1. Okay. We have not at all resolved for branch B2 because we have removed the entire statement of branch B2. Correct? Understanding my point, guys? So if you do git
Yes.
status
Ye-
now, correct? Now if you want to
Mm.
move out to branch B2, now you can do that one. Okay. If you want to move out to branch B2, okay, you can do that now. Earlier it wasn't. You are not able to do that action, correct? You are not able to
Yes.
move from branch B1 and B2 because of
Mm.
conflict issue. Now you are able to
Okay.
go to branch B2. Fine. So
Mm.
here what you need to do is you need to do a simple action. If you want to merge C, now still in branch B2 your statement will be there, correct? But we have
Yes.
removed in master. Remember to resolve for branch B1. See here, what
Okay.
you need to do is you need to rename this file. So how we can rename this file? So move,
MB.
correct, file 7.txt to file 8.txt.
TXT.
Done. If you do git status, correct,
Mm.
now you need to commit, add, -m, all that thing, two statements I'm doing together. Okay. So here you need to mention renamed file 7 to file 8, correct?
Mm.
Done. Okay.
Yes.
If you do git status now, git status. Okay, the delete operation happened. Okay, okay, two times. Okay, that operation was also there. Git. So guys, you need to add this one. Okay, and you need to commit this one. Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, here you need to mention fine.
Mm.
Modified file 17 with commit -a. Git status, git add. First, see, we are in git branch B2 only, correct?
Mm.
Git add file 8.txt, git commit -m. Okay, so now it is done. Okay, Now check out to master. Okay,
Git checkout.
master. Now you can merge, correct? Git merge. First
Branch
see,
2.
okay, only still 7 file is there, right? And 7 is also having this branch B1 statement, correct? We have removed from the branch B2 statement,
Master.
okay?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Yeah.
git merge and branch B2, right?
2.
Yeah.
Done. Now tell me why this is coming. You guys have to answer. Already up to date.
Because we the same thing we deleted from the master, right?
No, see.
There is no
So
changes as branch 1 and branch 2 right now.
correct, correct. So branch 2, we have already resolved the conflict issues, so no need to do any merging. It is already there. We
Okay.
just rename the file, correct?
Yeah.
We just rename the file. So this is the thing. So once you resolve the conflict issue, no need to merge the branch B2. But I have shown you the reason behind that. This is the question also sometimes they'll ask in interview. Do we need to merge again? No, we no need to merge again because we have already merged. But
Yeah.
because of conflict issue, we have removed the statement, right? And as
Yes.
soon as if you rename that file is already committed, already there. So if you do cat, if I see it was telling already up to date, so means file 8.txt is already there. How come? Now understand my point, guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
Manoranjan?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, fine. So this is the common issue we'll face in production environment. Now moving
Uh,
towards some of the disaster commands.